Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min 'alaq. I seek the protection of Allah from the Satan cursed. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Read, in the name of your Lord, who is the Creator. He has created you from the clot. آمنت بالله صدق الله العظيم.
सारे महफिल करम इतना मेरी सरकार हो जाए, सारे महफिल करम इतना मेरी सरकार हो जाए।
My friends, jihad is being maligned. Mujahideen who broke Russia are labeled fundamentalists, obscurantists, terrorists and what not, my friends, what not. Guantanamo Bay. The modern day standard of torture and cruelty, so powerful the influence of Western media that even a large proportion of our own Muslim brothers believe what they say and think what they think. Wake up, Muslims, wake up. See the molested sister of Kashmir who are saying, oh Muslims, wake up, enemies that you adore. See the weeping and crying mothers of Afghanistan who are saying, oh Muslims, wake up, enemies that you adore. See the widows of martyrs of Iraq who are saying, oh Muslims, wake up, enemies that you adore. See the crying sisters of Lebanon who are saying, oh Muslims, wake up, enemies that you adore. And now even the sister of your own motherland, Dr. Afia Siddiqui, is shouting from America that all Muslims, wake up, wake up. आइए देखिए, सोचिए और समझिए कि हमने कायद के पाकिस्तान की क्या और कितनी कदर की। वो कदर आज हम सब के सामने है। कौम टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बट गई है, नफ्सा नफसी का आलम है, हर तरफ मुफाद परस्तों की यलगार है। फिर वही कफर और ईमान की जंग, फिर वही दिलों को दहला देने वाली कड़ी और खौफनाक आवाजें, फिर वही डाका जनी, वही बेहयाई, वही लूट खसूट, वही मारपीट, वही कत्लो गारत, वही बेइंसाफी। तो ऐसे में कायद का पाकिस्तान चीख चीख कर सवाल करता है कि क्या मैं वही हूं जो नजरिए की बुनियाद पर वजूद में लाया गया, जो मजहब के नाम पर हासिल किया गया, लेकिन मैं उसी दीन की हिर्सो हवस के पैरोकारों का शिकार हो गया। मुझसे मेरा एक बाजू काट कर अलहदा कर दिया गया, मेरी शाहराग का अमरीका से सौदा कर दिया गया, मुझे इमदाद की सुनहरी जंजीरों में जगड़ा गया और इक्तदार के रोशन कमखमों से मेरे दिल का चिराग बुझा दिया गया।
Now may I please request our worthy principal to come on the dais and address the cadets.
Now we are nearing your sent-up examinations, which is very important for your final examination coming forth in March this year. And I hope you will concentrate on your studies, make sure that you give return to your parents' money, make sure that you groom up well and get good marks in the final examination. This is your test marking this year. I want to also emphasize one more thing which concerns security. We are currently having problems in a northern area, and I wish to tell you that this problem is not from our valiant frontier people, but it has been injected from outside forces, powers, who are not happy with the stability of Pakistan, who cannot see Pakistan having atomic resources. Therefore, they are doing their best to, unfortunately, disintegrate our country, which inshallah will never be happening, and we shall stand by it, and we shall lay our lives for this country, as we have proved in the previous 2 or 3 wars. Thank you very much.
Physical training has always been part of all good education alongside moral and intellectual development. We in Pakistan Scouts Cadet College Batrasi believe that a sound mind exists in a sound body and vice versa. We are going to watch a colorful PT show by our young cadets. The young and energetic cadets of Class 8 belonging to the Upper Kargil House show their skillful ability through synchronized and patterned PT show. The young cadets show their unity, harmony and excellence through this event. Our young cadets are too skillful in their body balance and synchronized moves. They are masters in their own capacity. Gymnastics, the novel and unique expression of flexibility and agility. The gymnasts of Pakistan Scouts Cadet College Batrasi can rise to any occasion. Their zeal, spirit and enthusiasm shows that if a task is assigned to them, they will come out with the flying colors.